Good morning, children. Hope all are doing well. See, last class we discussed about different types of soil, is it? And today's class we are going to discuss little different, something different. See, our body is not a single part. It has so many parts like mouth, nose, eyes, hand, leg, a lot of parts. So each part has its own duty. So the part which has its own duty, such a part we can call it as organ. So there are a lot of organs. Many organs are combined and our body is formed. So today's session we are going to discuss about different parts or organs in our body, especially about what are the organs seen inside our body. See, outside there are organs. You can see it. Can you see the nose? Yes. Mouth, eyes, hand, you can see all these parts. But some parts you can't see, like lungs. Can you see the lungs? No. Can you see the heart? No. So there are a lot of organs inside our body. So today we are going to discuss about what are the parts are present inside our body. So inside, the meaning of inside, we can call it also internal. Internal means inside. External, outside. So what are the internal organs of our body? Just I will give a short and then we will explain with a video. See, just try to say the names of the internal organs. Yeah, first one is, yes, what is inside here? Brain. And next, see, whatever food we are eating, it is going to another part. What is called that? Stomach. So brain, stomach, and see, we are respiring, the air is going inside. Which part it is going? Lungs. So brain, then stomach, lungs, and then there is a small part nearby our stomach, it is called a liver. And then most important part, if that part is stopped over, we will say that we die or the patient is die. That much important part is what? Yes, heart. That is in the middle of our chest. Is it? It is in the middle of our chest. That is the most important part of our body. Not only that, brain also is there, but brain death also we can't say that human being is die. If brain is not working, we can't say he is dead. But when heart stopped working, we will say that he is died. So like there are so many, and another one that's called the kidneys. Two kidneys are there, and the main function of kidney is to remove the waste from our body. So there are a lot of, and some most important two parts are there, muscles and bones. See, if there is no bone, we can't stand, is it? If my hand is like this straight, because inside bones are there. If there is no bone, my hand will drop, is it? So the bones are there inside, and I can move my hands. That is because of some muscles are there attaching the bones. There are some muscles. So these muscles help the bones to move. So we will just discuss about all these internal organs of our body. Watch the video very nicely. I have selected very nice video to give a clear picture of what are the each part, what is the location of each part, and what is nearby that each part, except like how it is located in a real human body. So watch it nicely, then answer the worksheet. If you have doubt, again you watch the video and try to answer the worksheet by yourself without seeing, and afterwards you correct the mistakes. You may have some mistakes, that is common, no problem. Just correct the mistake and study well. Okay, thank you.